Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, Chief K. Sivan detailed the country's first manned mission to space on Tuesday, saying the 4 men shortlisted for the program will receive physical fitness training in Russia for 11 months, but the first spaceflight in December 2021 may carry just one person. The mission, expected to cost 10,000 crore, India is expected to send astronauts, all Indian Air Force pilots, to the low Earth orbit, an Earth-centered orbit with an altitude of 2,000 kilometers where most of the man-made objects in outer space are placed. The ISRO chief said Mysuru-based Defence Food Research Laboratory, DFRL, was preparing a food menu for the mission. India's next-gen AMCA fighter jet should have local engines. Indian Air Force to Defence Research and Development Organization. The fighters, expected to take to the skies by 2026 as per current projects, are being planned to substitute costly imports of combat aircraft in the future, with the Air Force keen that a homegrown engine be developed for true self-dependence. While the first 2 squadrons of the AMCA will be powered by a variant of American origin GE 414 engine, the project will be clearing in the coming months on the condition that a parallel process be initiated by DRDO to develop a aero engine plant with foreign collaboration. DRDO has carried out preliminary designs for the AMCA and is confident that it will be in a position to roll out the first test fighter within 5 years of the project receiving the next stage of financial sanction that is pegged around $1 billion, amid heightened tensions between the United States and Iran. This week, the government on Wednesday said that the Indian naval ship, INS Trichand, can be deployed for evacuation of Indians from the Islamic Nation if required. Addressing a press briefing, the Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson said, "The Indian naval ship INS Trichand, which is in the Gulf of Oman since September 2019, can be deployed for evacuation of Indians if the need arises." Government is also keeping a close watch on the developing US-Iran geopolitical tensions. India seeks local production of total kill ammunition for Russian-origin battle tanks. India has moved to produce the primary ammunition for its Russian-made T-72 and T-90 tanks at local factories. Issuing an expression of interest to local vendors, the Indian Army aims to purchase 85,000 rounds of 125mm ammunition in a bid to expedite the supply of the ammunition that it has been importing from Russia. In September 2019, maintaining focus on the Make in India initiative, the Defence Acquisition Council, the Indian Defence Ministry's apex procurement body, accorded approval for the domestic development and production of the main gun to provide more lethality to its armoured regiment. India imports such kinetic energy penetrators for approximately 3,500 T-90 and T-72 tanks, worth over $70 million annually.